everyone.
Hello.
So, as per usual, I have no idea what to do for Piece of Me or Shebang-a-Bang or whatever you want to call it.
One eternity later.
It has, in fact, been a hot minute. I still don't know what I'm gonna do.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Topic has been found.
Huh? Nope. Nope. Nope.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So, apparently, you need a pilot's license to make a paper airplane. And I do not have my pilot's license.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Searching once again, and I didn't know there was that many paper airplane options, but there are.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
One eternity later.
I'm filming, yeah.
No, 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 no.
I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello.
Yep, you're good to go.
So that was terrible. We're gonna try find a way to make it stronger. I'm not sure exactly how. So it's been another maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. It's not too bad. It's still flimsy. I threw it. It failed. Here is the final result. SR-71 Splat-Bird in all of its glory.
Inconceivable.
I'm going.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What just happened?
So I finally watched the video of me throwing it from the top of the wall, and it's safe to say that that was embarrassing, and hopefully you enjoyed watching me spend hours doing absolutely nothing useful.